Hello, my name is Ali Sekman. I'm a professor of computer science at Tennessee State University. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create packages in Java programming and then write programs that can call those packages, particularly classes within the packages. I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, let's get started. This is for Com3110 Java programming class at Tennessee State University. Again, we're going to talk about packages, how we can create and call packages. What's a package? A package is nothing but a container for a group of classes and interfaces. You may not know what an interface is yet, but an interface is nothing but a special class. So a package is just a container of a group of related classes. We have seen some packages so far. Particularly, we have seen java.lang package. Java.lang package was the default package. It is automatically imported in all classes in Java. Therefore, you don't have to explicitly import it, even though if you import explicitly, it does not hurt. It contains very commonly used classes. We have seen system, we have seen string, math, integer, double. Integer and double are wrapper classes. We have data type, primitive data type int, and then we have class integer. We have primitive data type double with lowercase d, and then we have a wrapper class double, and so on. They are all located in java.lang package. One more package we have seen is java.swing, javax.swing package. Javax, the X in Java, X stands for extension packages. Prior to swing package, we had another package, java.awt package. In that one, we had text field, command, label, and so on. And then we have this extension package with some improved features. And all the classes start with J, letter J in swing package. It contains the GUI components, such as a scroll bar, list box, command button, text fields, a label, and we used JOption pane before. We had static methods, show message dialog, show input dialog of JOption pane, so that we could get input from the user via a simple GUI, or we should show text messages via a message box. Another package is java.util package, utilities package. It contains miscellaneous utility classes. We have seen scanner before. In order to read from command prompt or terminal, in other words, command line interface, we use scanner class. We use next int, next double, next line, or next methods. And we have seen random class, and it has some other classes like date, locale, calendar, hashmap, timer, and some others that are gonna be commonly used in the upcoming videos. One package you have not seen so far is java.io package. This is a very important package. It contains a lot of classes that provides utilities to write to or read from files or other input and output resources. We are gonna see file, file writer, file reader, print writer, and so on in one of the upcoming videos when I talk about input and outputs in Java. So how do we create packages? It's extremely simple. You just need to be a little careful, that's all. Okay, so we are gonna use package keyword. Let's assume that we wanna create a package named edu tnstate and .cs. Typically, the package name starts with the reverse order of the web names. For example, if cs.tnstate.edu is our website address, then we start with the reverse order, edu.tnstate.cs. So assume that's the name of the package we're gonna have. Let's assume that I'm gonna have those 4 classes within this package. I'm going to include 4 classes: academic programs, faculty, grad courses, and undergrad courses. One package, and I'm gonna locate them. 4 classes will be located in that package. And assume that we are gonna have a test program, and the test program is going to call, will need those classes. So here is the first thing. Class academic programs, which has a dummy method, list academics, which doesn't take any input arguments. It doesn't return anything. It simply prints BS, MS, and PhD. Pay attention, I use package keyword at the very top. This tells that academic programs class will be located inside this package. Similarly, I have another class called faculty, and it has a method called faculty listing. Again, it simply prints there are 15 faculty members, and I place faculty inside this package. And similarly, we have grad courses and undergrad courses. Both of them are located in the same package. Both of them have a method called display. The first one displays grad courses. The second one displays undergrad courses. Pay attention. I put the package keyword at the top for each one of them. So this tells that they are all going to be located in the same package. Okay, so let's see. So for academic programs, pay attention. Here, academic programs is a public class. So I have to save it in a file called academicprograms.java. This will be faculty.java, gradcourses.java, ugcourses.java. I can place those Java files anywhere I want in my computer. Assume that all those Java files are located in a folder called source, src. Can be anywhere in your computer. They are totally irrelevant. And assume that you compile academicprograms.java and you obtain academicprograms.class, similarly faculty.class, gradcourses.class, and undergradcourses.class. You have 4 class files. Where you're going to locate those class files is important. Even though Java files are not, class files must be located in a specific folder structure. And that folder structure should start with edu. It can be anywhere in your computer, but it needs to start with edu. And then you should have a subfolder tnstate, a subfolder cs. That should match the package name, edu.tnstate.cs. So edu is the top folder, tnstate cs. And place all those class files within that folder structure. That's crucial, that's important. So compile each Java file and place that class files under the folder structure edu/tnstate/cs. Then this is your test program. This is your application that will make a call to those classes or one of them. It is important that your test class, test.java, is in the same level with your edu folder, okay? This is irrelevant. It doesn't have any relevance, but your test.java must be in the same level with the edu folder. Okay, that's what I say here. Create your Java application at the same level with the top folder of edu. So test.java is in the same level with the edu. That's basically it. Then just regular stuff. You just say import edu.tnstate.cs.faculty. That means faculty class will be imported into my app. That means I can go ahead and create an object of what? Faculty class, and I can make a call to a function of the faculty class via that object. In this particular example, I'm going to go and compile test.java and run it. When I run it, it will locate faculty.class file in this folder structure. It will say, okay, currently I am in a folder. In the folder that I am, do I have a folder in the same level? Do I have a folder called edu? Yes, I do. Then a subfolder tnstate, subfolder cs, go to that folder structure and get faculty.class file, and then utilize it. Similarly, instead of just importing faculty, if I want to import all the classes, I just say .star. So when I say .star, it is going to import all those 4 class files. Then I can create an object of faculty, another object of academic programs, and grad courses or undergrad courses. And then I can make a call to any of those associated methods, any of the associated methods. And this is what I get here. When I call this display, it's going to print this, it will print this, and so on. Well, there are other ways to create packages with jar files and so, but for simplicity, I'm not going to talk about those concepts in this class. It's pretty simple. I hope you fully understand And in time, we are going to create packages, and we'll talk about package access and many other things. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand it is easy to create packages. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.